Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Jay Antoine Don. Now that you registered, now it's time to pay for your membership. Here's your back office link. Log in. There's two ways you can pay my subscriptions, and the other is set up my product subscriptions. This could change. There's always going to be updated slides on myvibe.io. Choose your plan. Me and my team are legends, so that's what we're going to pick. Scroll down, proceed to checkout. Scroll down a little bit, continue the payment. Okay, so there's two ways you can pay. If you didn't build during pre-launch and you're paying with a card, click card buy and pay. If you got commissions and you need to add a little bit with it, X out of this, scroll down to e-wallet. Click withdraw to crypto, enter an amount. This is moving your commissions to your crypto wallet. You want to allow a few dollars for fees. Click confirm. Send verification code. Go over to your email, click on that. Get this code. Copy it. Go back here, paste it in, and authorize. Okay, so close that out. So you can pay using your VYB portal, or you can pay using the Tiger app. I personally prefer the Tiger app. It could be easier just going through your portal. This is just my personal preference. Click on deposit. Click on card deposit. Enter an amount. I need another $150 to pay for my membership. Click on Stripe. Click on create order. Continue. Verify this device, log in. Okay. Use this wallet, Polygon wallet. Use this card. Review order. Pay. Continue. It's going to text my phone, so I'm going to click here. So click on that so you can get this code. All right, I'm just going to type it out. And then copy that. Paste it here. Submit. So the price changed, accept the updated price and pay. So this is going to take about probably 2 minutes. It's going to seem like it's stuck. Do not stop it. Just wait for it to finish.
3 days later.
Okay, successful. So I closed the app and I'm logging back in to make sure that updated. Okay. Go back to VYB. You want to sync it to make sure everything showed up. Click on crypto, click buy. The proper way to do this, and you can go to myvibe.io and follow the steps. But what I found was after I clicked Stripe, I don't see a dollar amount on here. I didn't know if I was supposed to put 260, 266 or whatever it was. So I didn't do it this way. So I went back to set up my subscription. Complete payment. So there's two ways you can do this. You can click crypto, go to the wallet and click deposit, or so you can scan this and send tokens to that address. Actually, I'm gonna show you what that looked like. Click pay with crypto. Click on select coin. It's got try and select it, so I'm gonna change that to Polygon, update. Check these two boxes. And then you can copy that address and then send it to there. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna go here and click order. Click this little I thing to open the order. I'm going to confirm and pay. Send verification code. Go to my email. Click that again. Copy that code. Paste it. And authorize. Let me go back to my back office. Completed. Let me click on my subscriptions, and that's it. Again, if you have any issues, go to myvibe.io and follow the steps.